board certified spine surgeon, but I still love taking care of fractures and general orthopedic care as well, and just serving the community in that way. I was on call just recently. Page came through. The patient's last name looked familiar, but it was a kind of a common last name. And I thought to myself, like, I don't know if I know this patient or not. And it's a small world, but you never know. It was a lady that had a hip fracture. I went to the room to evaluate the patient later on that evening after I came to the hospital. I walked into the room. I recognized the husband. As soon as I walked in, he said, "Dr. Sharif, I can't believe it's you. I'm so happy to see you." And I knew right away that I had definitely operated on the patient's husband. Like, I knew it right away. We started chatting, and as we were talking, I started remembering, like, this is one of the first patients that I operated on in this very hospital. And all these things started coming back. I remembered the surgery that I performed. It was a 2-level ACDF, and he was telling me that he had this surgery done almost 10 years ago. And he was like, "You did that surgery on me, my arm got better, the weakness improved, I'm strong again, and I just haven't had any problems with my neck ever since." When I heard it was you, and you were gonna be the one caring for my wife and her hip fracture, I just knew that we had the guy that was gonna get it right and put her on a road to recovery. I've been in this community for almost 10 years, and now I'll see a patient and one of their friends have had surgery by me, or a loved one, or an acquaintance. And sometimes I'm doing general orthopedic work and I'm fixing hip fractures, but it could be a patient or a family member that's had a spine surgery for me as well. It's almost like if I operate on you, you feel like you're part of my surgical family. And don't forget the patients that we share that bond of surgery. And it was just so nice to see him again, and it just reminded me why I love what I do and why I keep doing it.